Psychology says people who spend most of their time alone aren't broken, damaged, or running away from the world. In many cases, their mind is simply wired differently, making typical social situations feel exhausting, meaningless, or just not necessary. And if you've spent years without close friendships, there are real psychological explanations for why. 1. They value depth over numbers. People without friends aren't rejecting human connection. They're rejecting shallow connection. Research shows that individuals with thoughtful, reflective minds naturally seek quality over quantity. They don't want pointless chatter, pretend friendships, or energy-draining people in their life. So rather than forcing connections that feel hollow, they choose solitude until something genuine comes along. 2. Their mind requires more downtime. Some people are born with a nervous system that's more sensitive, which means socializing depletes their energy faster than it does for others. Psychologists call this heightened social sensitivity. After spending time with people, their brain demands longer recovery periods to reset. This doesn't mean they hate being around others. It just means their mind uses more mental fuel during every interaction. 3. They don't need people to feel whole. Many who walk through life without friends aren't dependent on others for emotional stability. Psychology refers to this as low social dependency. They can keep themselves entertained, figure things out independently, and find peace within their own thoughts. Rather than surrounding themselves with a crowd, they build their own internal universe and often feel more content than people realize. 4. Their past redefined who they let in. People without close friendships usually share one common thread, a past experience that taught them to be careful. Maybe it was betrayal. Maybe it was being ignored as a child. Maybe it was spending too long around toxic people. Psychology proves that once trust gets damaged, the brain becomes selective and protective. This doesn't mean they're incapable of friendship. They just carefully choose who gets access to their inner world. 5. They live in a richer mental space. Psychologists explain that people who spend extended time alone often develop a more complex inner life, vivid imagination, stronger intuition, clearer thinking, and deeper self-knowledge. They reflect more, notice more, and experience emotions more intensely. This kind of depth can make everyday social environments feel disconnected or hard to relate to. So, if you have no friends or just a handful, it doesn't automatically mean there's something wrong with you. It might just mean your brain operates differently with more awareness, more sensitivity, more depth, and higher expectations for real connection. And sometimes, the people with the strongest inner worlds need to walk alone for a season. If you want more psychology content that helps you understand yourself in ways no one ever explained before, subscribe right now, because the next video might unlock something about you that you never even knew existed.